Farmers are shifting on their feeling about Nafta. Joining me now is Fred Seaman. He's with CME Group, here to talk about the Ag Barometer. And before we get to the actual barometer, let's just cut to the chase. What are farmers thinking about Nafta here? Do they think it's going to happen or not going to happen?
You know, they were asked in the barometer in February what they thought about Nafta, and actually most were neutral, but a greater percentage thought that we might exit than stay. It would be interesting if they redid that question this week, because I think everyone agrees the probability or the chances of us leaving Nafta are probably higher than they were last week this time.
So this is a very fluid situation, and Nafta and changes to Nafta mean everything. I know Iowa is interested in seeing an upgrade, some improvements to Nafta, but they don't really want a complete exit, correct?
That's correct, and I think producers are overwhelmingly of that view because they know how important these markets are to our agricultural products, both grains and oilseeds, but also livestock as well. So, it's key to our markets.
Are they talking about changes to the tariff policy at all?
They are. I talked to a producer. He recently bought another farm and was feeling pretty good about it, but it's starting to have, I guess, a little bit of concerns. But you know what? As with farmers, as with everyone, you learn more by what they do than what they say. So I think confidence still underlies everything.
That is very true. What people say in these polls is sometimes exactly the opposite of what they do. Let's take a look at the Ag Barometer numbers. Now, you saw a surge here.
Yeah, we did. 140. It's the second largest reading that we've ever had. The largest reading was January of last year, so it's about a little over a year ago. And what has changed in that period of time is current conditions. Expectations for the future have gone down a little bit during that period of time, but current conditions. So I think a very large harvest last year to go along with not good prices, but perhaps prices that were better than what farmers expected. Anyhow, that's helped current conditions.
And that was optimistic. Thank you for coming on the show as always. We'll see you next month.
All right, see you next month.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.